Hesperus, the evening star, is a significant yet often overlooked figure in Greek mythology. Representing the planet Venus when it appears in the night sky, Hesperus serves as a celestial guide, marking the transition from day to night. Though he is not as widely known as the Olympian gods, his role in mythology, poetry, and ancient astronomy highlights the way early civilizations looked to the heavens for meaning, guidance, and inspiration. In Greek mythology, Hesperus is sometimes described as the son of Eos, the goddess of dawn, and Astraeus, the god of the stars. His connection to the heavens ties him to the natural cycles that governed ancient life, particularly the movement of celestial bodies. As the personification of the evening star, Hesperus was often contrasted with Phosphorus, also known as Eosphorus, the morning star. In some versions of the myth, these two figures were considered separate deities, while in others, they were understood to be different aspects of the same celestial body, Venus appearing at different times of day. The Greeks originally believed they were separate stars, but later philosophers, including Pythagoras, realized that the morning and evening star were in fact the same planet. This discovery reflects how mythology and early science were often intertwined, with myths shaping the way people understood the cosmos. Hesperus appears in various literary works, often as a poetic symbol of beauty, calm, and the transition from day to night. In the writings of Hesiod, Homer, and later poets, he is invoked as a figure of serenity, marking the time when the day's labors ended and the world shifted into a state of rest. The Romans adopted this concept, referring to him as Vesper, a name that later influenced words associated with the evening, such as Vespers, the term for evening prayers in Christian tradition. This association between Hesperus and peaceful reflection suggests that the evening star was more than just a celestial object. It was a sign of balance, an emblem of nature's rhythm, and a moment of transition between light and darkness. Though there were no major temples dedicated specifically to Hesperus, his presence was deeply felt in Greek thought, particularly in navigation and timekeeping. Sailors, travelers, and farmers relied on the stars to mark time and direction, and the evening star was a reliable guide as night fell. In this way, Hesperus was not only a mythological figure but also a practical tool, helping ancient people find their way both physically and metaphorically. His association with the horizon, the place where the sky meets the earth, reinforces his symbolic role as a boundary between different realms, day and night, known and unknown, the conscious world and the dream world. Hesperus' legacy continues today as we still observe the evening star, just as the ancients did thousands of years ago. His story reminds us of the constant rhythms of nature, the cycles of day and night, and the way mythology and science often overlap in humanity's search for meaning. Whether viewed as a figure in myth or a celestial body in the night sky, Hesperus remains a timeless symbol of transition, guiding us from the brightness of day into the mysteries of night.